If your blood report can be reversed with lifestyle changes, so can mental health with behavior modifications.
Hi everyone. So today I want to talk about the irresponsible or the unprofessional psychologist. And the reason why I thought I need to bring this up is because I've had cases where people have been diagnosed with certain conditions, maybe like a bipolar or a borderline or certain traits, which they have shared that they were diagnosed earlier, and some other psychologist has mentioned that they don't have these traits. So first of all, I would like to tell you that mental health diagnosis is done on behavior traits, and if your behavior traits meet certain parameters from the clinical aspects, then you will be diagnosed as that specific disorder. That is number one. So if you were brought to the hospital or to the psychologist or that psychologist with certain behavior disorder or conditions, the psychologist is going to diagnose you, let's say, with borderline, bipolar, etc., etc. Now, come to 3 years down the line, you have worked on your mental health, you have changed yourself, there has been signs of improvement, but still there is a lot more work to be done. Now, that psychologist is saying that I don't see traits of bipolar in you or borderline in you. That doesn't mean that the earlier diagnosis was wrong. Please understand that mental health is just like diabetes, where if you can make changes in your life with physical health conditions, with proper lifestyle and routine management, the same way behavior also can be modified with behavior modifications. So I would request that if one psychologist is being dismissive of the other psychologist or psychiatrist evaluation, please be very careful on their professional conduct, because diagnoses are always based on symptoms, and if you have reached out to a psychologist with certain symptoms, they are going to do their duty and they are going to do the diagnosis. I hope you have some clarity on how to be careful on these aspects. My good wishes to all. God bless. Thank you so much.